Well, we've been having a lot of rain lately. In a situation like that, is to go to the park and paint in my car. So that's what I'm going to do, and let's go. So here I am at the park. Uh, I'm going to find a spot to sit, and I hope it's dry. Well, I found a park bench, and I think this will be okay. It's made out of wood and it's a little wet, but I'm a man, I don't care. So I've got my water. I've got an ebony pencil with an eraser. I've got my sketchbook, which is a mixed media sketchbook that is good for watercolor. I like it because I think that it's more forgiving. You can pick the water up, you can pick the paint up from it more easily. It's got a little bit more hard surface. So anyway, I'm going to look around and see what I can paint today. I'm thinking about right over there, like maybe that thing. I like the rhythm of the trees. You see how the branches go? Oh, see, there's a train going by. It's right over here. The tracks are right nearby. I'm sitting under a tree, and a breeze just came up, knocked all the leaves, and I got all wet. But anyway, I keep going. All right, so this is what I've got so far. The tree has wetted my paper, and I don't know how it's going to dry. But anyway, we'll keep going. The tree keeps wetting my paper, but it doesn't matter too much right now because I'm using an ebony pencil, and the lead is coming off pretty nicely. So that's the afternoon. I think I'm going to go home and have some dinner and then go and teach my class. So see y'all later. Give this a try if you want to. Bye.